49th and Market has, I believe, their very first Christmas collection, and this is called Vintage Artistry Noel. It is a 12 by 12 collection, and let me show you what you're going to get into it. So on the back of this cover sheet, you also get another sheet, and as you may remember, on the bottom of their sheets, there is a strip that you can use as a border, cut off, use however you like. Here is the first sheet. Isn't that just beautiful? Now, if you are a scrapbooker, of course, you're going to use the center area for your photos. If you're a card maker, think in terms of quarters, but as you can cut this into quarters, you can use it for 4 cards. That's nice. Now, the back of this is a bright and happy stripe. And look, I love the vintage look that they've done on these and the back side of that. And then again, we've got Merry Christmas all over. And here we have another really, really pretty. And on the back side, just a scruffy, there's some Christmas words in the background. Then we have this. And on the back, a very pretty red with some things in the Merry Christmas and Merry and Bright. Now, the laser cuts. This is where I think they just cannot be beat. And let me separate them so you can see. There are a total of 71 laser cuts. Again, you just pop them out just like so. In fact, they kind of start popping out all by themselves. These are printed on paper, and this is the only place I believe that you can get laser cut. Here is the second sheet, and look at that. Isn't that lace down at the bottom just exquisite? So, so pretty. So all of this is yours for right now. And let me see, something else I wanted to show you that matches. This is the Vintage Artistry Noel Rub-Ons. Now, there are a total of about 150 designs. You get the tool that you're going to need to apply these. Yes, that is a popsicle stick. But best of all, there are 3 sheets. So here's one. Here is another. So you get lace, you get words, you get imagery like this, and then another one in red with different imagery. So, so pretty. So all of that coordinates. In fact, let me just show it to you this way. Now, just want to point out a couple of other things that will coordinate. We have the garden seeds flowers in red. These are 3 different sizes in this package. That's gorgeous. There's also any of the mint flowers. This happens to be the mint pixie petals. That's going to go beautifully. Along with our red and our green ribbons, you are just set. So all of this, Vintage Artistry Noel, the collection from 49th and Market, right here at paperwishes.com.